Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. A 5-minute full-body stretch can be a quick and effective way to release tension and improve flexibility. Here's a simple routine that targets different muscle groups. 1. Neck and shoulder stretch. 1 minute. Sit or stand up straight. Gently tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Hold the stretch for about 15-20 seconds on each side, feeling a gentle stretch in the neck and shoulder. 2. Trunk twist. 1 minute. Sit or stand up straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Gently twist your torso to one side, bringing your opposite arm across your body. Hold the stretch for about 15-20 seconds on each side, feeling a stretch in your back and torso. 3. Hamstring stretch. 1 minute. While standing, extend one leg straight out in front of you, heel on the ground. Hinge at your hips and lean forward slightly, feeling a stretch in the back of your extended leg. Hold the stretch for about 15-20 seconds on each leg. 4. Quad stretch. 1 minute. While standing, bend one knee and grab your ankle behind you. Gently pull your ankle towards your buttocks, feeling a stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold the stretch for about 15-20 seconds on each leg. 5. Seated forward fold. 1 minute. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Hinge at your hips and reach forward towards your feet, keeping your back straight. Hold the stretch for about 30 seconds, feeling a stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. 6. Deep breathing and mindfulness. Remaining time. Finish with a few deep breaths, focusing on inhaling and exhaling slowly and deeply. This helps to calm your mind and enhance relaxation. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat? Get Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Keto. Click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.